Good morning. I'm here in the Tucker Valley in Trinidad. Way on the east side, there's some amazing mountain bike trails. I'm hanging out with Darrien today from Bikehub. So check out the link there down below, Bikehub TT. If you want to go mountain biking, he is the man. He can take you on tours. He does bike rentals. He has all the gear, he knows all the spots. So I've got a little biking experience, although it's been quite a while. I've done some downhill, some mountain biking, and casual biking since I was a kid, but this is going to be pretty wild in these hills behind me. It's a very popular spot. All kinds of people lined up doing road biking. It's a Saturday or Sunday morning, so it looks like it's a very, very popular activity here, and for good reason. It's just got beautiful mountains in the jungle, an incredible activity you can do while you're here in Trinidad. All right, so this is Darrien, Bikehub.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too, man. So tell me about this area where we are, because it's beautiful, the Tucker Valley.
So this is Salmon Park. We have a lot of different mountain bike trails here. So yeah, we cater for different types of riding, mountain bike trails. So the XC mountain bikes, and then we have different trail bikes. So yeah, we really just come to allow people to explore the trails.
Nice. And it seems like a very popular local activity. I didn't know there'd be so many people doing this morning.
Yeah, it's kind of up and coming. So a lot of nice trails, but it's volunteers that clear the trails. So yeah, just come explore it. It's nice.
And how many trails are around here? Like, it's a huge area.
A lot of different trails. I would say for different skill levels as well, from beginner all the way to advanced. Maybe like 6 or 7 hours of trails if you really were to ride all. And they go from generally flat to up the mountain and coming down the mountain. So.
Can you show me some of your gear over here? So you got a lot of bikes.
Yeah, so, these are the XC bikes. This is a Trek Roscoe. We have a few different ones. We have Kona, the brand, Mongoose, Arrow, Specialized, Trek, different bikes. So yeah, just really just come for your comfort so you can have a nice ride. So yeah, try it out.
And how many people can you take at one time?
So we have 30 bikes available.
Oh, what?
Yeah, and we do tours as well. So yeah, if you want to come try it out and you're unfamiliar with the area, we could carry you. Show you the way.
And what are some other areas that are popular? Because this is like very close to Port of Spain. You got some other options as well, I'm sure.
So generally, this is the destination for mountain biking in Chaguaramas. We usually meet here, but the trails are generally close to Salmon Park. So you just park here, and then we'll find the correct route for your skill level.
So my skill level is, I don't really know. I'm gonna find out. See how dead my legs are after even half an hour or an hour, but we're gonna get in the hills here and hopefully beat that weather, but we're gonna find out, I guess. All right, this is the squad. Can I get an introduction from you guys?
Hey, Darrien, man.
Robert.
Hey, Adrian.
Michael. Respect. All right, I'm a big tag along and I'm gonna be the slow one here, but hopefully I can keep up with you guys.
Yeah.
How hard is this one on a level 1 to 10, would you say?
The trail or to get to the trail?
Oh shit.
To get to the trail is like 11.
To get there is harder.
I would say 4.
A 4? Okay.
I think it's like a blue trail.
Yeah.
Oh, blue trail. Okay. All right.
Because there
is a features
which would be
more advanced.
All right.
But you could bypass.
All right. Good to know. I'll see what I do. I'll take it easy.
It's single track though.
Okay, that's all right. I'm used to that. So we got the tires ready for my heavy ass weight, and the suspension's got to get set up for everyone too, based on weight.
Yeah.
I'll go at the end because I'm the slow one.
I am the slow one.
Well, my legs are burning already. No, I'm good. Is this seat high enough?
You can raise it.
Yeah. But I guess it's like an inch off. Yeah, no, it's not bad. I think it's okay.
You're gonna really know when you're riding up the hill.
Yeah.
And you feel like you're riding in a squat position, then your legs are gonna be going.
Okay, we can adjust as needed.
As needed.
Yeah. Howlers too. You hear them before you see them.
Usually morning afternoon.
Monkeys and the bull.
Nice. I thought the monkeys were all farther down south. I didn't know you had them up here too.
You see a lot of capuchins here.
Really? All right, so I'm not the only primate here. So, yeah, this is the bamboo cathedral. You can see why. This is Yeah, trippy. Beautiful. Let's start the watch, see how much terrain we cover. Oh, the watch already knows I'm biking. I'm from Toronto.
Okay.
Yeah.
Plenty snowy trails up there.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, we actually have some good biking in the city too. This valley, like the guys, it's not a massive valley, but they've just been building trails in it for 30 years.
Yeah,
So, and there's even like huge dirt jumps and all kinds of stuff in there. Yeah, I'm really impressed with how many beautiful spots are on this island, and I've only seen a few pieces of it. It's really crazy.
We don't even appreciate it, so.
Yeah, I mean, that's what people have been saying. Like, they see how stoked I am, and then they go, oh yeah, I guess we do have really good stuff here.
Yeah, for sure, right.
Right
It's
there.
the only thing with the trail.
Yeah. So this is the easy part, I'm guessing? My legs are already burning. Is that a good sign?
Well, when you see start, then you know you're going to
Oh
start.
shit.
Yeah.
Here we go. Oh, my legs are gonna be dead.
Yep.
I mean, this is what I signed up for.
That's right. Oh, yeah, I'll be back.
I don't know how much skateboarding I'm gonna do after this. Maybe nothing. Maybe I'm just watching.
Well, when you first did, then you will know.
Yeah. Yeah, the bamboo is incredible. Definitely feels like a cathedral. Sloped roofs of natural bamboo. Hey! And I would really like to see some capuchins. I did not know they were in here. So keep an ear and keep an eye out for monkeys. Nice and casual start though, I mean. Yeah? No way. He's chilling hard. Yeah, scratch it off, buddy. Scratch that itch. Oh, Sunday mornings. Yes, I know the feeling. Oh.
Make a video. How you smiling now? That's it for a day.
Before and after. So yeah, you should see this. Yeah, this is before the time.
This is when everyone's looking good. Morning. Yeah. All right. High gear. Oh, wait, or is it low gear? It's high gear, right?
Oh, I don't remember that. Do you think?
I mean, so far it's okay.
Yeah, you could do it then on the second day.
Oh, bike coming.
Yeah, wrong bike in. Yeah, wrong.
Yeah, the tech on these bikes is so amazing. Holy, this is hardcore.
No one steady when you race.
True. I'm in no rush. I'm used to downhill hiking where you get the ski lift up.
Yep.
This you gotta work for it.
Alright.
You guys look too calm. My heart's gonna explode and you guys are just cruising.
I think I'm 160.
160, okay, I'm not the only one. Sweating pretty good. My legs are not conditioned for this at all. I don't know how I'm gonna skateboard later, but that's Venezuela over there, very close. Sea looks nice and calm. Yeah, it's amazing how close we are to South America. Whew. Yeah, this is insane views. We're pretty high up. Tell by that little boat there. Yeah, it looks a little steeper. How you holding up?
I could. There's a little hip pain, but I'll get
Yeah.
I'll get over it.
Good. I'm the slow one here. Slow and steady wins the race. Try to do this as casual as I can. We 50% up, you think?
Nope.
30? Okay. I like the honesty.
When are you getting it? See where you are? They have numbers written on the ground.
Oh,
I think 26 is the end.
okay.
We just passed 10.
All right, so a little more than a third. I can live.
Just trying to get a little bit.
All right. Yeah. Hardcore. You got this.
Yeah. I think we're like halfway.
Yeah. I'm pretty in shape, but I'm not in bike shape. So I'm doing little walks of shame. Part way up, no shame in the game. Yeah.
So long I do this.
Yeah. Me too. Not even close. Another motivational saying. Anyone ride e-bikes in TNT? Sweat level, still just a 4 out of 10, I'd say, sweat level. Keep trucking. Feels like we're towards the top. Now I don't know which way to go. I gotta wait for my crew. Absolutely no entry, okay. It's probably this way then. Going in. Challenge complete, look at that, here we are. Now hopefully it's not more to get to the trail. Oh wow, it really opens up here. What? What is this place, yeah?
There's a big farm like this in radars from World War II.
Oh, what?
These are like the gen sets and the other equipment for it. Yeah, so
That looks pretty crazy.
Yeah, the Americans had a huge base here for World War II.
Wow.
There's a big strip up
And you
there.
can go inside the base too?
You can walk up, yeah. Just they have a lot of Jack Spaniards.
Okay.
Careful.
I'm gonna have
Inside there, it's pretty much just empty and run down now. But
I'm gonna have a real quick look because that looks
there's
really
a door
insane.
inside there.
That looks kind of crazy. Wasn't expecting this on the tour. Abandoned World War II facility. That looks pretty gnarly. Nice little surprise. Whoa, bats going around. Any vampire bats in here? Some slightly creepy messages. Oh my gosh, look at this. The classic weed alien with weed as a third eye. All right, gotta have a look from the top. No handrails, watch your step. Leave, you'll be sorry, okay. Yeah, this is a complete surprise at the top of the hike here. I had no idea. Just more creepiness. This looks like a zombie apocalypse movie. I love that. Fuck. I think I'm ready for the downhill section. The heart rate's back to a relatively normal amount. So let's keep this party going. Oh, what? How many more steps do I have in me? Oh, wow. That's gigantic. I mean, it looks big from far, but now it looks extra big. Huh?
Yeah, some guys who actually went into skateboard inside the dish.
No way.
Yeah, they have some Instagram videos of it.
What?
Guys on the BMX bikes who do tricks in the board.
No way.
Yeah. Crazy climb up, though. I'm not going up there.
I thought there was a party going on up here for a second. So this is like 1940s built? That long ago?
Yeah, and it's still standing.
So is it thinner wire on the inside? Is that how the wheels can actually fit?
It's like a big metal grid kind of.
Yeah.
Actual grid. If we could find the video.
Sounds really crazy to first of all even climb up, but we're definitely not skipping leg day today.
Yeah. Still have a little bit of a hike up.
Okay. Yeah, I better get rocking. Sorry, how long does it take to get down once you're at the top? Half an hour.
It could be as fast as like 5 minutes.
Oh yeah?
Or if you want to fly, but usually about 10 to 15.
10, okay, nice.
Long hike up for a quick down. Yeah.
Hey man, that's life.
Yeah.
Hard work for short bursts of joy.
Yep.
Nice.
Gotta put in those U's.
Yep, definitely.
You throw the rope, tie it up, the other guys
Pull the bike
pull
up.
the bikes up. And the same thing, I went to reach
These
all
are
the
just
top.
two guys backpacking through the Caribbean. We just met them in the trails here doing tricks.
And we carried them to one of the trails.
Yeah.
Jumps, they jump
Some
lines.
jumps, yeah.
Yeah, and then they saw this and they're like, yeah, we'll come back and hit that.
So there's dirt jumps around here too?
Yeah, the trail we're going on.
Yeah?
Yeah, have jumps, yeah. But you could roll to the side. It is
Hell no, I'm going for it.
Good luck.
I don't know if I'm going to clear the tabletop. I might go gently off the top and land on the flat.
I think there's only, well,
There are one or two
there's-
gaps.
yeah,
Small gaps.
I'm probably not hitting any gaps.
Most are gaps. Some are step down. You could go it. You could hit it slow, fast. The faster you hit it, obviously, the further you go.
Yeah, yeah. I'm taking it easy.
Yeah.
Ew!
How is it going? Good?
Great, yeah. I'd take my breaks.
Yeah!
No shame in the game. So, last little cruise to the starting point. Yeah, I'm loving this. Highly, highly recommend. It's not that hard walking up. I might have made it look harder, or biking up, might have made it look harder than it is. Little hardcore section. Whoa. All right, another hike section done. Another bike section begins. Lots of routes. Single track style. Ooh, watch the vines. Oh, this bike is amazing. Hey! There's a clip. Well, I'm gonna bail. I'll gladly take the bail at 2 miles an hour instead of 30. Gassing up.
You want some?
Oh, what is it?
Electrolytes and some aminos.
Whoa, I'll try a bit. Why not? Proper.
Yeah, I used to get cramps
Mm.
a lot. Did some research. Said most of the times I get cramp, like 90% is dehydration.
Yeah, it's like salt on the.
All the electrolytes they're losing. Found this on Amazon. Since started using it, no more cramps.
Nice, man.
None.
Oh,
None at all.
amazing when the product works.
Yeah, it works.
Like how many of these like kind of herbs and supplement things claim,
Yeah.
but to actually get it firsthand.
So I recommend it to all my friends, alright? And they're like, yeah boy, this
Yeah.
works. This works.
Yeah, when you sweat this much.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Water is not enough.
Mm-mm.
I think we're like halfway there.
Halfway. Oh shit.
Yeah, from the hike.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, no, halfway. You hold right.
Okay.
The hike.
Everyone feel warmed up? Did you already do this one today?
No, I've been on that side.
Oh, okay. Another one.
Just as hard.
Okay.
I think it's a little bit hard.
Harder.
Harder.
No, well, you climb up.
Oh, you climb from the bottom, yeah.
You ride up from the bottom.
So this is Turbine. Turbine. I even see the sign. I'm too experienced to be taken for a stroll. Too experienced for someone to rock and roll.
There's a crash site here.
I will plane, no. I was just a regular, like a Cessna, so a small plane.
A small plane crashed. So I think while they were digging, cutting the trail, they saw a engine. Turbine. So he's like, alright, we'll just name this trail Turbine.
Great name.
This
And
one's
then
called Mayday, which
this
goes up
one
to
is
the
the
plane crash.
extension here. It
Yeah.
continues all the way up. It's called Mayday because if you're going to crash, it's Mayday, Mayday.
Good
And there's
names.
another one at the top called King's Trail, which will take you back out to where you
Where
park the car.
we parked the car.
Oh, really?
But that one is
No, it's
some
blocking
trees
the
that
one.
fell on the trail.
Ah,
so-
okay. How do you guys maintain it? Like, do you have to come regularly just with a machete and just keep chopping?
Yeah, we have some friends. They dirt bike, they ride up, chainsaw.
This guy here is a big part of it.
Yeah.
So you got a whole community of guys all helping out. It's not like an organized government-funded thing.
No, nothing is funded by the
All
government.
the riders, well, I should say all, but a good many riders contribute a little bit, and then they
So
come and help
basically,
time
Saturdays we go and either cut new trails
Yeah.
or maintain the old ones that we have.
Nice.
And Sunday is basically ride.
Cool.
Like enjoy the trails, you know.
Perfect.
And I'm doing this probably from 2020. Yeah. So it's take 4.5, almost 5 years now.
Amazing.
Yeah,
I love when that community vibe
We
keeps
just
it
gotta go for
going,
it.
keeps it running.
We're just gonna go from
Yeah, step by step, you know.
Yep.
I think we cut like so far like 10 miles. So
That's a lot.
yeah, but 4 years, you know, it's
Still though, when it grows in this quickly in this type of environment,
You have to have people coming.
but some of those trails like this one is already been here. So we basically only make it more friendly for mountain bikes.
yeah.
As I open the trail so you can actually, you know, fit handlebars between trails.
Yeah,
That Forking Trail, which is actual name Seed Center North Post, which is from back in the days before our times.
Yeah.
People use it for hiking and probably connection to Diego Martin,
Yeah.
because you actually can go Diego Martin from here. So we just clean it properly, open it to the mountain biker community, you know. So again, it's like wide, and clearly you cannot really get lost.
Yeah. Okay.
Some trails are overgrown, so if you're not familiar with those trails, you know, probably you can get lost if you get dark and stuff.
Yeah.
But mountain biking trails like this one and that one there, and on that side where is the additional 3 trails, they're quite wide, very good maintained, so it's good.
If you're here next year, we're gonna have a race. We put on a race.
Yeah.
Yeah, in March.
In March.
Nice.
It will be in March next year. We're gonna have like 3 to 5 stages, right?
It's 5 for the more advanced riders, and the 3 will be for the Sunday warriors, I would say.
Yeah. Weekend warriors.
Weekend warriors. Yeah.
This is really one of them.
If anybody
On your
watching
end, want to
your
do a
channel and
mountain
want to do
biking
some mountain biking in Trinidad,
Yeah.
next year?
You guys got an online community like Facebook group or
Yeah,
what's it?
we have 1 or 2 YouTube channels. Well, I don't have one. My friend has Navin Ramratan.
Okay.
Yeah. And Karen. Well, you'll probably meet Karen later.
All right, we'll link it all below
Yeah,
for everyone to
yeah,
check
yeah.
out if they want to link up with the crew to bike with.
Did you get a chance to make it across the Tobago once you're here?
Not yet, no. I'm saving that for a surf trip when it's surf season.
They also has there's
Ice
a
trails across there
yeah,
in May.
they-
You have a big
in
mountain
May,
bike festival
yeah.
in May there as well.
Oh, okay,
in
nice.
May, every year in May.
Cool.
It's called May Mountain Bike Madness.
Nice.
A few guys from Switzerland normally come across, and outside riders, I guess.
And then we have an additional group of riders, which is from east. There is area what's called Victory Heights, and that is, I believe, is a national forestry reserve.
Yeah.
I believe they have 2 trails for now, which are very nice for hiking or riding bike, and they're working on a 3rd one. So, you know, like if everybody all come together, we have a lot of trails to ride.
That's awesome, man.
It's
Like a whole
probably-
scene here.
Yeah, you can come for a week and you have a plenty trails, and then you can still go Tobago if you wish,
Yep.
and that is a whole different vibe.
Nice.
Really nice.
Trails for everyone. For you have XC, road, mountain bike, downhill.
You got it all here. That's
Yeah,
what I'm saying.
yeah,
There's
yeah.
so much here in Trinidad. It's blowing my mind.
Yeah, there is a beach right there.
And there's
so
a
you can
beach
go
down
for
there,
swim.
right?
Yeah.
So I just finished. Or you could go to there's a river with a little waterfall.
Oh, yeah, the gorges.
The gorges, if you want
You
to.
seen
Right
that
close here.
before, the gorges? You aware of that? Or?
Marion Gorge or a different one?
What's the name of the gorges there?
Covine Gorge.
Covine Gorge.
I was in a different one up on the north
Blanche-
coast.
oh,
That's
yeah.
Mariana's by
Yeah.
pools.
3 pools there. That's
Yeah,
nice.
That's really nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
So surfing up on that
you've
side.
been the waterfall, the
Edith Falls.
Edith Falls.
No, not that one.
It's not always flowing, but it's water like kind of dropping.
Yeah,
But
little trickle.
if it's like good rain on this
Good
side,
rain, yeah.
it will get very heavy and
see
very
the
tall.
water. It's
like 100 feet
Huge.
tall.
Oh yeah.
Feet on
Oh
it.
nice.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Sick.
Actually, one of the trails that might be, it's Scorpion going to be in the race? Yeah, finishes at the entrance to Edith Falls.
Oh, beautiful. So you
yeah.
finish champion and just run and jump off. All right, should we get down there? I'm stoked for this. This is gonna be crazy.
I think I need goggles today.
So you'll want to keep your seat down
Okay,
when you're going downhill,
got it.
because you would get back.
For sure. Get bucked up in the nuts by mistake.
And straight over the handlebar.
Yeah. Okay.
A few jumps, but everything is rollable.
All right.
You see,
Go around them. That'll be the.
and there's
the
a
better
beeline
way.
around pretty much everything as well.
I only back, don't worry.
Yeah, I didn't go.
I think it is easy. It has been a while, so if he in the back, I will be in the back.
Let's go.
Like, feels good, comfortable.
Everything's good, yeah. I'll survive it. I'm surviving, not thriving, but I'll survive it.
Important, survive.
Yeah. That's wicked.
Sure, it gets a little smoother from here.
Okay.
Top off is round route. We're going to start a little bit more
It's a
features
little
starting up here.
small jump in the open area.
Yeah. We still have a few jumps coming up and
Okay. Holy crap. No.
this is basically like a small jump line,
Okay.
but there's a beeline around everything.
Yeah, we're holding.
Yeah. This is why I don't rush. Who fell? Let's go see.
You're gapping here to here? Yeah. On the angle? Jesus.
We landed and we clipped this street.
Oh no.
Feel like we landed somewhere like right there. That's the back tire.
No, you skid from up there.
You skid from up there.
That's what you should have in the camera.
Yeah, I missed it.
Great.
Some excitement.
And look at the tree next to you.
Whoa.
That's not a nice tree to fall into.
Yeah.
Oh dude, that is mean. Do not fall on the maca, or what do you call them here? The thorns. Pika, okay.
That is a group best tree.
Danger Bay. Yeah. I got minimal damage, but I think it's from a previous scratch.
Oh my.
That's just a tiny scratch. All right, mosquitoes, let's roll. Are we back at the cathedral now? No. That is it. Wow. Nice one, guys. Everyone survived. Me too. Minimal damage. I didn't push it too hard. I'd say when you only bike a couple times a year, this is probably a little higher than I would normally go, but I decided.
No, you can do it. So
Yeah, I decided to tone myself down for the first time.
next time you'll go on a more difficult trip.
Next time I hit some more jumps on this one. Yeah.
There's some trails you can shuffle, so you don't have to do that big pedal either.
Oh, what?
Pressure.
Nice.
They're a little more technical, but
Okay.
there's no pedal up.
Okay, just a couple little hiccups for me, but overall survived pretty good. I'd say that was probably a little beyond my wheelhouse, a little more intense than I would normally be used to. So, of course, you can take some easier trails. Might be the wise thing. Yep. But Adrian, thanks for the bike and the ride. I was taking it slow. I didn't want to mash up your bike
I thought you did pretty good.
or myself. But yeah, I'd like to hit the kickers next time.
If you're back, you want to know if anyone wants to ride down in Carnage,
or Chaguaramas area,
Yeah.
you can check out Bikehub TT. That's my buddy Darrien.
Yep.
And he has bike rentals. If not, just come down. They always have riders here who are willing to carry you around, show you around. If you go up on a couple of downhill trails or even the flat trails which are close by. It's bike trails for everyone.
Good vibes in TNT with the mountain biking. I need to do this more often and get my skill level up. But I had an awesome time. Great crew guys to ride with, and very unexpected with the World War II ruins on the top of the mountain. So it's been an absolute trip. So check everything down below. Check back soon. Bless up.